Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be dropping out another very quick update here on the cryptocurrency market, because currently Bitcoin is forming a very interesting trend here, and I want to be talking and discussing it with you guys out there. So guys, without any further ado, let's just dive right away in towards the content, and let's start off with discussing Bitcoin. Of course, on my Twitter page I already let you guys know that Bitcoin was trading, of course, on a particularly big warning, because Bitcoin was of course looking to be breaking this critical range of support. And I was of course warning everyone about here, like you can see on my tweet. Of course, if I disable the message real quickly, that I was aiming for, of course, the 42.3k here. Like you can see on the market, the 42.3k exactly got touched here, and of course since of that point we started to be moving up towards the upside again. So is 42.3k the bottom right now here, or could we be seeing a further continuation down here? So to answer that question, I real quickly want to be enabling the 1 hour RSI, and of course clearly what we can currently see here is that we're forming a very significant lower low on the RSI here. Price action as well forming higher lows still compared to the previous lows here. So do I think this is a bottom? Yes, I am very much likely to assume that we are in a further continuation towards the upside, but of course this trend is right now came towards an end over here, because I warned everyone about it on my Twitter page and on my video that I uploaded yesterday. Bitcoin was forming a bearish divergence on the market that gives me a very bearish signal, and of course I as well warned everyone about is that as soon as Bitcoin closes a 1 hour candle below the 43.4k, what basically was a confirmation that we're forming a lower lows again, we were going to see this 42.3k target. So of course after this hourly candle close over here, we right away were looking towards our target towards the downside. So that was a very significant short trade that was of course potential to be taking over there, and of course there was an approximately 2.6% trade here, what was a very strong opportunity. But right now we want to be looking at the things what we can do here, and not at the things that went in the past, of course. So on the 1 hour time frames, in order to see Bitcoin of course enable to of course flip a little bit more bullish, I still am going to be looking for of course the 43.4k. This has been a very important level. Why? It's because this is the range low of the support range over here, and together if we're going to look further on towards it, it has been the resistance range of this this is basically the previous high on the market over here. So break above the 43.4k is going to be leading towards a lot of bullishness in the market as well. Quickly going to say here, the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame over here, like you can see, Bitcoin forming a downward sloping resistance line, previous support, previous resistance, like you can see over here, resistance, and once again provided resistance today. So in order for me to be extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and in order for me to be saying, okay, right now I do think Bitcoin is going to go back in towards its bull market phase here, and Bitcoin is going to create exponential highs here, I do need to see this trend line on the 4-hourly candle getting broken. And as soon as we do see a breakthrough of this trend line over here, we could be looking for exponential price surges. Of course, so far we are indeed forming a very strong upward sloping support line with the green support line that we're currently forming, because Bitcoin is indeed forming higher lows on the trend up here, what is of course particularly positive. So yeah, Bitcoin is moving up in the right trajectory, but still it has to be breaking above this range over here. So don't forget to follow me on YouTube and on Twitter, of course, if you want to be staying up to date about this market breakout that we could be potentially get anytime soon here. And of course, if we are going to get it, we will be looking for even more massive long positions, of course. So I am definitely looking forward towards the big trades we could be taking all together, because a breakthrough of this range over here could be of course the confirmation of course Bitcoin going further in towards this extremely bullish trend here. So that is a thing that I'm still waiting for. So guys, this was already it for today's very quick update video here on the channel. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to right away subscribe to the channel and like this video, of course, guys. And of course, don't forget to tune in back here later today. I just hopped on here into Mexico. I just settled down here. I'm going to go for a sleep right now, and then after that I wake up and I will be looking at the market right away once again here as soon as the stock market as well does open. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again towards the market and the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.